everybody, and welcome to Management 218, Advertising and Public Relations. Just want to make a quick video here to get you started and help you find everything and make sure you know where everything is. And also, if you haven't had me in person before, I'll include a video of myself in this one here down in the corner just so you have face up with the name. Let's see. I have here on top posted some orientation material, and I'll let you read over that. You should have received that by email as well, but I posted here for you. Some of the things in there that I want to highlight and make sure you noticed. We are using both Moodle and My Marketing Lab for this course, so you have to go to both places, and there's instructions in there for both of those things for signing on. Moodle needs to use your HTC email address. You can't change it to another one, so make sure you check your HTC email address. When I send notifications, they'll be coming out of Moodle, so that's where they'll be going. And if you email me, that's probably also where it's coming from, so that's where the answer's going. So make sure you're checking your HTC email address. You will need some form of textbook for this class. I really like the textbook. I think it's an easy one to read, and I think it has a lot of fun stuff in it. But it's fine if you want to use the e-book instead of a traditional textbook. The My Marketing Lab Access comes with an e-book as well, so if you want to purchase just the access code and use the e-book, that's fine with me. There are 4 exams in this class, and right now I have on the schedule that you'll be taking all of them in the testing center on campus, but it's fine with me if you want to take 1 or 2 of them at home. You need to take at least 2 of them on campus though, and we have, that's a school policy. I don't really have a lot of choice in that one, but I would recommend taking test 2 and 4 at home because those fall during midterm and finals, which is when the testing center is the busiest. So as long as you take at least 2 of them on campus, we're fine. But you need to let me know. If you're not going to take it on campus, you need to let me know ahead of time so that I can set that up. Don't wait till Sunday night and say I'm taking it at home. You need to make sure you let me know in advance on those. Let's see, some tips for doing well in there. I have don't procrastinate. The due dates are all Sundays. That does not mean you should wait till Sunday to get started. So as long as you give yourself enough time, nothing in here should be too difficult. Also have a backup plan. If you do not have reliable internet connection at home, make sure you come in here to do these things. I would not try taking an exam on my phone. There's plenty of places here where you can do it, so make sure you have a plan in place. Also, the last page of the orientation has instructions for signing into our course on My Marketing Lab. It has the course code that you need to get in and instructions for that, so make sure you take a look at that. I'm going to make a separate little video here for the syllabus where I go over that one. Here's the schedule with all due dates that you'll have. And I even have it here where you have a little check boxes here. So each week, here's what you're working on, here's what's due, and here's the due date for that. So print this out, keep it somewhere handy so that you don't lose track of any due dates. This is the project that you'll be working on. At the end of each chapter in the textbook, you have a little section called Student Project, and some of these I think sound a lot of fun. There's 15 of them in here. Since we do 15 chapters, you only need to do 10. So pick 10 that you think sound like the most interesting topics, and then you can compile those all into one document and submit that at the end of the semester. I recommend, again, that you not wait till the end of the semester to get this started. If you work on these as we go, for one thing, it will help you reinforce material for that chapter, which will help you do better on the exams. And the other thing is it just makes it a lot easier. So as long as you give yourself plenty of time to start working on these, in advance, it should be a fun project. I think a lot of these sound pretty fun. And this is a link to My Marketing Lab, and I'm going to do another quick video just to show you where to find everything in My Marketing Lab in case you're not familiar with that. Each week then here, I have it set up like this, what to do this week. So for instance, this week you need to read chapter 1. You need to complete 2 online assignments. One of them is just to introduce yourself, so that's not really an assignment. The other one is the first one here where we evaluate the impact of an ad campaign. And then the third thing that you have to do is video assignment in My Marketing Lab. So basically each week you'll have something to do in Moodle and something to do in My Marketing Lab. Here's the links to things that are due in Moodle, and then you'll need to click over to My Marketing Lab to complete the video assignment. And then the other thing I have resources. Right now I just have some PowerPoint, but I think I'm going to post some other things up. Maybe some key concepts to focus on, some study guides, or I might try some videos where I walk through kind of a summary of the chapter and post those up there for you. Week 2, you can see what's due is that you need to read chapter 2. You have an assignment here in Moodle, an online activity in Moodle, which a click is right here. You'll go to that one where you'll do some evaluation of websites. And then a video assignment in My Marketing Lab, which is about rebranding. And we'll post some resources. In chapter 3, you have the same. Here's what's due. Read chapter, complete an online assignment in Moodle, and complete a video assignment in My Marketing Lab. And here's the link to the Moodle assignment. And then week 4, you have your first exam, which is on chapters 1 and 4. That's the only thing that's doing Moodle that week. It's still a video assignment, and then you'll just click here to take the exam. The exams are timed, but they are open book and open notes. Obviously, if you take them at home, that's fine. But even if you take them on campus, they're still open book and open notes, and then you'll be able to use kind of study guides from the other chapters to put that all together. So that's how it'll flow each week. I'll make a couple more quick videos for some other things, and let me know if you have any questions. I think this is going to be a really fun course. I think we're going to have a lot of fun with it.